Buying shares is a popular investment choice for both novice and professional investors. Shares provide the potential to earn higher returns than interest rates paid on government or corporate bonds, but have lower risk than real estate, hedge funds, and other alternative investments. Many people want to start investing in stocks and shares, but they don't know where to start. This video will show you the benefits of investing in shares, how to start investing, things to consider when picking shares, and even some top recommendations for this year. The best platform for investing in shares, in my opinion, is Etoro. Etoro is fully regulated, meaning your funds are always safe and secure. There are millions of users, and this user base is constantly growing. The best thing about Etoro is the educational aspect, as there are many tips and tricks to learn from the platform, with even the feature of being able to copy other traders, which we will look at later in the video. So, what are the benefits of investing in shares? Firstly, they are easy to buy. With Etoro, you can buy them in minutes, and it's commission free. You can enjoy huge returns if you pick the right investment, meaning the potential for profits is massive. Diversification. Investing in shares allows you to diversify your streams of income, and even allow you to earn income passively. It's a great way to stay ahead of inflation, as historically shares have averaged an annualized return of 10%. And lastly, they are easy to sell. You aren't locked in with shares. If you suddenly need your money in a hurry, that's possible with a flexible broker like Etoro. Things to look out for when choosing shares. Price movement. When choosing an investment, looking at the recent price movement can be a helpful indicator. For example, if a share's price has quadrupled in the last month, it may mean that other investors will soon take profits and the price will decrease. In contrast, if the price has taken quite a beating, it could be a good opportunity to buy a certain share. For example, let's take a look at Tesla. In April this year, Tesla hit around the $300 mark. The price increased quite a bit, but fundamentally, Tesla was still operating well. This was a good opportunity to buy. Now the price has increased more than 5 times over, you may get the urge that you missed out. But it's important not to rush into investing a share that has risen a lot in price, as it may be due a pullback. Dividends. Many investors like to look at this when picking individual shares. A dividend is a distribution of profits by a corporation to its shareholders. When a corporation earns a profit or surplus, it's able to pay a proportion of the profit as a dividend to shareholders. A company that pays this is often one with a degree of stability. The good thing is Etoro supports this. Thirdly, it's good to take a look at the industry of the share you're looking at. Is it a new industry? Is there huge scope for potential, or are there too many competitors? Is the industry only popular in one country, or is it worldwide? It's also good to keep up to date with the news regarding the specific company, its competitors, and the industry it belongs to. Etoro can help with all of this. Now let's talk about some shares that could potentially earn a lot of profit in the future. I'll then show you exactly how you can invest in these shares from start to finish. The first is Johnson & Johnson. In April, Johnson & Johnson increased its dividend for the 58th consecutive year. It now stands at 2.7% and will probably continue to increase yearly based on the company's business outlook. Johnson & Johnson sees the financial outlook improving for the rest of 2020 due to better than expected performance in medical devices as global economies recover. Management also sees continued strength in the pharma segment and higher growth in the consumer health unit. Finally, the company is a player in developing a coronavirus vaccine. In fact, the US government has given $456 million to Johnson & Johnson for that purpose, while the company has invested another $500 million in the project. If successful, a vaccine would be a significant growth driver for the company. Johnson & Johnson is the kind of dividend-paying investment likely destined to reward investors royally over the coming years. The stock price is up only 2.4% this year, and I think it has plenty of room to run. The second share we're going to take a look at is data storage solution specialist Western Digital. Over the very near term, Western Digital expects to benefit from the release of next-generation gaming consoles. These new consoles require beefed-up storage capacity, but gaming consoles aren't the reason why investors should be excited about it. The real growth story here is all about data center storage solutions. We were already seeing businesses move into remote workspaces and utilize shared clouds long before COVID-19 made its presence known. But with the pandemic here to stay for now, it's encouraging businesses to spare no cost to digitize their data and build accessible cloud platforms. That's a resounding endorsement for a storage solutions provider like Western Digital. With the company's dividend suspended, it's not all bad, as it now has close to $600 million extra each year to pay down its debt and reinvest in storage solutions that will be tailored to data centers and cloud-focused businesses. That makes Western Digital a share that long-term investors should want to own. So if you want to invest in one of these shares or any other share, then use the sign-up link in the description or from our website buyshares.co.uk and sign up to Etoro. Click Join Now and then choose a username, email and password. Once you join, you will need to complete a verification form that usually approves within under an hour. This is just so Etoro can keep your funds safe. Once you've done that, you need to deposit some funds. Click Deposit Funds in the bottom left here. Etoro offer a huge amount of options to fund your account with the most popular being credit card, debit card, and they even accept PayPal. We recommend depositing at least £250 and your account will be credited instantly. Once your account is credited, search your desired share in the search bar. I'll use Johnson & Johnson as an example. Click Trade. Then choose the amount you want to invest in. Pick ×1 leverage, as that means you are buying the underlying asset, and then click Open Trade. It's as easy as that to buy shares. Etoro also gives you the opportunity to copy pro traders' exact trades. We'll go into that into more detail in one of the next videos. So remember to use our sign up link in the description or on our website at buyshares.co.uk. Please subscribe and thanks for watching.